This module is to train managers and front-end staff on following Shag Strap best practices. The objective of this module is to train you on the importance of Shag Strap and your role in making it a success in your store. Let's start off with what the Shag Strap is and why it's necessary. With sales from brick-and-mortar shoppers making up about 85% of total sales, keeping carts in stock for your customers is more important than ever. Cart retrieval is labor-intensive and physically demanding, causing accidents and injuries to occur. Carts that are not bundled can also get away from a shopping cart attendant, causing damage to cars or even injuring guests. Retail's industry standard, the Shag Strap, allows your cart retrieval team to bring carts from the parking lot back into the building quickly, safely, and efficiently. The Shag Strap is easy to use. Simply start by securing the hook on one end of the Shag Strap like this. Finish off by securing the second hook, or holding the handle for tension. Bundling carts with the Shag Strap takes less than 20 seconds. Shag Strap makes retrieving your shopping carts effortless. No more runaway shopping carts, no more injuries to staff or customers, no more damage to parked cars. Shag Strap bundles carts quickly and keeps the carts in complete control of the attendant. And because the Shag Strap is made with super strength webbing that is weather and stain resistant, Shag Strap can be used again and again. Unlike expensive and complicated ratchet cart retrieval straps that apply great amounts of tension, the Shag Strap allows users of all ages, sizes, and cognitive levels to retrieve shopping carts easily and safely. See how in less than 20 seconds, Shag Strap applies enough tension for caster lifts to engage. No more unsafe tension, no more damage to shopping carts, no more injuries to your cart collection staff. The Shag Strap accommodates all steel and plastic shopping carts and comes in different lengths and styles. We also make Shag Strap for cart retrieval machines. Choose the model that works best for you. Don't see what you need? Since we manufacture the Shag Strap right here in the USA, we can make a custom design for you in any length, color, or configuration. We also can add writing or instructions right on the Shag Strap to encourage your associates always to use best practices. The Shag Strap, store tested and approved for 40 years. As you just saw, Shag Strap is important because it allows you to easily retrieve shopping carts from the parking lot, bringing them safely back into position for customers to use once again. Here's what you can do to help your store successfully comply by adhering to the following Shag Strap best practices. Let's review the Shag Strap differences and show you how to use the different Shag Strap types. Customization of Shag Straps can include the webbing, a handle, a loop, a black open hook, a silver closed hook, a cam buckle, and customizations such as messaging or reflective material. The Shag Strap material is 1-inch thick nylon webbing that is weather and stain resistant. Our standard colors are black, red, and neon green. For stock items, the webbing comes in 6-foot, 8-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot, 14-foot, and 24-foot lengths. A rule of thumb to use is to take the length of the webbing and subtract 2 feet to get the approximate number of carts it will work for. So a 6-foot Shag Strap will handle approximately 4 standard shopping carts. This is an easy method for retailers to control the number of carts that their cart attendants are collecting. Since all our webbing is made in-house, please contact us to discuss any custom colors or lengths. We also have a Shag Strap designed for cart retrieval machines, or CRMs. Here is how to use a Shag Strap for cart retrieval machines. Nest shopping carts with the permanent shopping cart attached to the cart retrieval machine. Do not exceed 15 nested carts. Tether the carts with the Shag Strap using one of these methods. If your cart retrieval machine has an eye hook, attach the close hook on the Shag Strap to the eye hook on the cart retrieval machine. If your cart retrieval machine does not have an eye hook, wrap Shag Strap around the permanently attached handle and clip onto itself. Run the webbing towards the front end of the carts. Pull the shag strap around the last handlebar and back towards the cart retrieval machine while pulling tightly. Ensure the shag strap is tight with no slack. To maneuver carts, position yourself 1/2 to 2/3 of the way forward on the line of carts. Since the shag strap is made in-house, if you're interested in adding any safety or best practice messages to the shag strap, we've got you covered. Logos and reflective materials can also be added to your custom design. Feel free to reach out to us to design your custom shag strap if you don't see what you need in our stock models. Check to see if your carts have caster lifts. Shopping carts with caster lifts reduce labor and maintenance costs by extending the life of the shopping cart wheels and reduce damage to rear caster horns. As one cart is nested into another, the ramp lifts the rear casters of the receiving cart, leaving the wheels slightly elevated and rolling free. When shopping carts with caster lifts are properly nested, only the cart in the rear has its rigid casters grounded. This allows the road to move side to side as well as front to back. The rear cart acts like a pivot point. To correctly move carts with caster lifts, you must tether the row of carts together. Always ensure caster lifts are fully engaged. Push and maneuver from 1/2 to 2/3 of the way forward. Handle only 10 carts at a time per person if manually transferring the carts. Studies show that pushing the shopping carts from the nose instead of the handle makes the cart bundle more easy to maneuver. Similarly, providing shopping carts for your guests to pull out from the nose is shown to use 60% less force than pulling the carts from the handle. If you haven't already, consider using these best practices in your store. Please be aware of any special requirements from your store. Some retailers limit the number of carts to be moved at one time by one person. Always keep the strap and hook from dragging on the ground. This can cause damage to the webbing and protective coatings on the hooks and reflective material if applicable. If your shag strap has a cam buckle, never twist the strap as it feeds through the cam buckle. This can cause damage to the webbing. Always keep the strap stored in an organized manner. Storing in a heap or pile can cause the webbing to get knots in the strap and not work properly. If hooks appear damaged or webbing is frayed or loose, please discontinue use of the shag strap and replace immediately. We hope this informational video helped you to better understand shag strap and your role in making it a success in your store. Thanks for watching. For further information about the shag strap and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.